Next top new product Video Guys award for 2025 is the PTZOptics Studio 4K and the Action Cam bundle. Now, I have a PTZOptics Studio 4K right here. Now, this is a fixed camera, as you can see. It is not a PTZ camera, but it still has that same great image quality that we are used to from PTZOptics. It also has what we call total connectivity. So if we look at the back of the camera, you can see that there's an HDMI, there's an SDI, there's USB, and it also has NDI built into it. And one of the really cool features of the Studio 4K is that it was one of the first Hive-linked PTZOptics cameras. And so you can have a lot of control with the camera on the network. Now, PTZOptics saw that a lot of people were using these two Studio 4Ks and pairing it with a PTZ camera, such as the Move 4K, and they were using these in sporting environments, putting one of those cameras, the fixed cameras, on each of your goals or end zones, and then having a PTZ camera right in the center of the field to be able to follow the action. And so they said, hey, let's put this bundle together where you can get two of the Studio 4Ks, one Move 4K 12X, and the SuperJoy controller, all for one great price of just under $1,200. Now, PTZOptics saw that that bundle was doing really well, so then they made what is called the Flex Bundle. Now, the Flex Bundle allows you to pick 3 to 6 cameras that are either fixed cameras or PTZ cameras, add a controller into that mix, and then be able to get 5% off your entire order. So a lot of great things coming from PTZOptics. Not only are they introducing new cameras, but they are constantly introducing new bundles for every kind of workflow. So congratulations to PTZOptics.